Hello, this is Liz with DC Digital, and today I'm demonstrating our standard model DC-60UT-BTC. In this video, I'm going to go over how to use this product first and then follow up with hardware and features. So this is going to be used as an outdoor rated clock and timer combination display for sports events. And there are some environmentally sealed push buttons mounted on the left side of the case and some switches on the right. So starting with the buttons, the first one on the left is going to be the clock timer button. It's going to switch between the clock and timer modes. And then the second button is going to be the up-down button. And it switches between the up and down timers. When you're on the up timer, this LED will light up in the upper left. When you're in the down timer, it'll light up in the lower right. So the next three buttons are set hours, set minutes, and set seconds. You'll push the button once, it'll start counting up. You push it again to stop. And then same thing with set minutes. Then the start stop button is actually on the top of the case right here. And the colon's flashing to let you know that it's running. Right now I have it showing hours and minutes. If I stop it and zero it, you can also show minutes and seconds. On this display, you're not going to be able to set hours, minutes, and seconds. You'll either be able to set hours and minutes or set minutes and seconds. So I'm going to zero it out. The zero reset button is the button on the very bottom. So I'm going to set it for 1 minute and oops. Let's see, 3 seconds and there we go. 3 seconds, 1 minute. And then you can see that when it gets below 1 minute, it'll shift over to showing seconds and tenths and hundredths. And then the final button is going to be the reset to last value button. So if the timer stops, you can hit reset to last value and then restart the timer from there. So it's a convenient way if you need to time something the same amount multiple times in a row. Then let's go over to the up timer. So for the up timer, you'll just have to worry about the start stop button and the reset button. Now if I leave this running and switch back over to the down timer, you can see that the upper left-hand corner is flashing to let you know that it's running in the background. And I'm going to start this and go over to the clock, and now you can see both of them are flashing to let you know that they're both running in the background. So let me go back to that. And then I'm going to zero this out, set it for 5 seconds. So at the end of the countdown, there's going to be a 3-second end of period beep. You might have noticed that all of the beeps whenever I push the button, those are just acknowledgement beeps to let you know that the clock has received the input. So let's go ahead and listen to the 3-second end of period. All right. So I'm going to set for 3 hours and switch over to clock timer. And here you can push the set hours button to set the hours, set minutes to set minutes, and then if you push the set seconds button, it'll actually zero out the seconds. And on the right hand side, there is a bright dim switch. Currently I have it on the dim setting. This is what the bright setting looks like. It looks a little bit fuzzy on my camera. And then there's also an on-off button for the display. So if I turn it off and then turn it back on, it'll start a digit test count up sequence, and then it'll come back on the clock at 12 o'clock. And then you can set the time from there and go to the timers. So this comes with a tripod. That's what it's currently mounted on. There is a tripod mount attached to the case. There's also a handle on top of the case to make it easier to carry. And then if I spin it around on the side, you can see a little port right here and a box right here. This box contains two 12-volt, 8-amp-hour sealed lead acid batteries, and this little port right there is for the charger. We recommend that you turn off the display to charge it. It just plugs right in. And here's the charger looks like. There's an LED right there, and the color of the LED will let you know the status of the batteries, whether they're good charging or if there's if it's really low. Go ahead and plug that and turn that back on. And it also comes with a carrying case, which is in the other room, and it comes with a carrying case for the tripod, which is also in the other room. So unfortunately, I don't have those with me right now to show you. Alright, so the digit size on this is going to be 6-inch individual red LEDs. They're arranged into segments. The case is made out of powder-coated aluminum extrusion with an IP66 rating. And to mount it, you put it on the heavy-duty aluminum tripod. You can carry it with a handle, or you can carry it in the carrying case. I would recommend carrying it in the carrying case when you're traveling between two locations, and then just using the carrying handle to lift it out of the case and put it on the tripod mount. So the power, like I said before, is two 12-volt, 8-amp-hour sealed lead acid batteries. And there is a battery charger for that. The battery charger is a 3-amp charger. The only connections you have to worry about for this product are the tripod mount and the battery charger. And like I said before, just make sure you turn the display off when charging. And that's it for this product. So all of our products are manufactured and assembled at our location in Carlisle, Ohio. So if you like this product and want to order it, or if you have any questions about how we can customize any of our products for your specific needs, please contact us using the link in the description. Again, this has been Liz with DC Digital, demonstrating our standard model DC-60UT-BTC. Thank you.